Hey guys, today I'm reviewing some products that were gifted to me by CurlSmith. So I'm starting off on dry hair. I'm going to wet up my hair using a spray bottle. The water is warm. Usually I put my head over the tub for wash days, but for this one I'm reviewing their Detox Scalp Kit, which is a 3-step kit, and I can't put my head over the tub yet. So I'm starting off with the first step. This is the Super Slick Prebiotic Primer. It has a loose consistency, but it's not sticky, so it's just smooth right onto my curls and just basically brought them back to life. It gave them the little extra moisture they needed before I wash my hair. This product does contain fermented rice water and dragon fruit juice, so that's why it has a very nice fruity scent. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my first impression. So first impression, it's slipping right onto the hair. My curls feel nice and soft again. The scent is like a mix between a fruit and a cologne. Very nice, very pleasant. It's a very pleasant scent. So the primer is basically the pre-poo of this Detox Scalp Kit. I like how my fingers can just run through my hair. So you know how some things are like too sticky and slippery? This is not that. This is really a nice slip, but without the stickiness. I'm using my fingers to rub the primer onto my scalp at the same time while running my fingers down my strands. And I come out with some shedded hairs. My bang has grown. It used to be up here. Most of my hair grew down. We are on the final parts. I can see, I would definitely recommend this to those whose hair is like chronically dry on wash day and like you don't want to wash your hair. You should definitely try this. I don't know if they have sample sizes. That would be great if they had sample sizes so you can try them out before buying the full thing. I know a lot of people choose to co-wash because regular shampoos dry out their hair. This would definitely be a good option because co-washing is not really washing and cleansing your hair and your scalp. Oh, you know what? If this came with a nozzle, yeah, I think the only thing I would change about this is that it's the bottle. It should come in a nozzle so you can just straight squirt it. I gotta give the ends extra care. I'm going to be trimming them soon. I'm not sure when, but look out for that. That trim is coming. So overall, I love this primer. If you can get a trial size just to try it out for yourself first, I would recommend it. But it's a very good primer before you use a shampoo. I would use this before any shampoo, really. So once I'm done that, I'm going to move on to the second step, which is basically the shampoo in the kit. Next, we have the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic Cleansing Clarifying Scrub Shampoo for all hair types. It says to apply it on the primer, so don't rinse out your primer. So this wash and scrub had the same consistency of a regular shampoo, only I did feel some exfoliating beads in the mixture when I was scrubbing my scalp, but the beads are like really small, but you can still notice them. So this does have apple cider vinegar in it and dragon fruit juice, so it has the same smell, the same pleasant smell as the primer. So I do love this, and it lathered up really well. I'm just going to section up my hair so I can apply it to my scalp directly. And it's lathering already. I'm not even massaging yet and it's lathering. Since my hair is so thick in density, I had to part my hair in certain sections just to get the scrub in that section. So this wash and scrub really lathered up really well, but it didn't over lather in my hair like how some shampoos would, like if they have sulfates, they get really foamy, but this one didn't. It just had the right amount of lather, if that makes sense. Alright, so I knew there was apple cider vinegar in it because I felt the tingle on my scalp. I love apple cider vinegar, and I know that it tingles the scalp whenever you apply it to the scalp. So it feels so good, especially this massage I'm giving myself. But my curls are still feeling really soft and squishy. because of the lather, and it lathered up it just got enough lather. Like, it didn't need a lot of lathering. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this out with warm water and then come back to condition. All right, y'all, so my hair is clean, so now I'm gonna move on to the conditioner. All right, this is the conditioner. Very thick. It smells like mint. Alright, so I need to section off my hair, but I was just trying to show you guys how thick it was. It goes on my hair very nice. Alright, so let's section it. I love that the conditioner comes in a pump. It has a very nice mint scent and sensation on the scalp. And I love how thick it is and how easily it spreads on wet hair. So it's called the calming conditioner. The mint scent is very relaxing and it feels so nice on my scalp. I refilled my bottle with warm water because the water turned cold. Well, cool. Almost done. Comes out super thick. You just have to spread it. I tried to apply it in medium-sized sections so that I could get all of my scalp in my hair, but for the most part I got everything. So I'm just making sure that I just got everything covered. It says to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. It's been past 1 to 2 minutes. This is the shedding I lost. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to rinse it out with warm water and then I'll be back. So I rinsed it with warm water over the tub. This is just my cotton t-shirt like towel, and this is how my hair is looking. It's looking shiny and a little frizz-free. Okay, so this is the leave-in, and this is the jelly. Alright, so let's see how they mix. So I did the flake test and it looks like they both passed the test. Okay, so this is how they mix. Just apply it to my hair. So the leave-in conditioner is actually called the Weightless Air Dry Cream, and the jelly is called the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. Now the Weightless Air Dry Cream comes with dragon fruit pulp, so it has that same scent as the other products, and the jelly has it didn't really have a really significant scent, but it was a really nice jelly consistency, and the leave-in conditioner was actually a nice thick one. So I just mixed them together, smooth it onto the section, and this is how I usually do my twist outs. I smooth it onto a big old section, and then I separate that section into like 2s or 3s, and then make those all twists. So like I apply the products all together at once, then I separate out the section and twist it up. So these are how the twists look when I'm done. They're still wet. I let them air dry overnight, and this is how they look the next day. They air dried. So now I'm just going to unravel my twist. I'm not using any oils on my fingers. I coil the ends around my fingers to preserve the curl at the end. For my twist outs, I don't fluff out my hair using a comb. I just let, you know, the definition and the volume of day one be itself and just let it grow throughout the week. So this is the final look. If I had to choose a favorite product I used today, it would be the primer because it just got my curls ready for wash day. Thumbs up this video, check out more on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.